In today's video, we will be sharing this delicious and easy cookies recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, half a cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 lemon zest. In a bowl, we're going to add in the flour, baking powder, and the sugar and mix together. Add the lemon zest and mix until completely distributed. Add in the vanilla extract, oil, and milk and mix until a dough forms. Once the dough forms, cover it with plastic wrap. Let rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the plastic wrap and remove the dough from the bowl. Separate the dough into 4 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a smooth ball. Roll out each ball into a long snake shape. Cut the dough into 1-inch pieces. Place on a baking sheet. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Our easy and delicious cookies are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.